Namaste. I am Chivian Sheetal Singh, Assistant Professor at Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. So, this is the final topic of Pharmacology 4th unit, alcohol and disulfiram. So, let's see the disulfiram and the alcohol. So, let's start from the alcohol. So, why and what to learn on the alcohol is the main important. The pharmacodynamic of alcohol action in the body and brain, that is pharmacological effect that prolong or produce the biological action of the drug, intoxication, organ damage. The pharmacokinetic of alcohol, that is the timing of alcohol distribution and metabolism within the body and brain, as well as pathway involved in metabolism of ethanol and its major metabolites. What are they? Ethyl alcohol, and methyl alcohol, which we call it as ethanol and methanol. So, fermentation of sugar to alcohol and carbon dioxide is the alcohol. So, yeast plus sugar plus water give carbon dioxide and ethanol. Yeast are living microorganisms which die in the concentration of alcohol greater than 10 to 15%. Starch convertase is maltose, commercially obtained from malonase. Alcohol beverage, malted liquor, fermentation of germinating cereal, malts, mostly beers are barley 3 to 6%. Wine fermentation of natural sugar, grape, apple, and other fruits. No distillation increase greater than 15%, and port is up to 22%. Champagne is up to 12 to 16%, and spirit rum, whiskey, brandy, and gin is 40 to 55%, standard 42.8% or 37% weight by weight. Source is whiskey, distilled grain, and rum, distilled, and the Guinea is the area sugar source. Now, the alcohol percentage is calculated as alcohol content of beverages. Specific gravity of alcohol is 79. Therefore, 1 liter of alcohol weight is 170 gram. Percentage may be by weight by volume. So 1 liter, add 1 liter water is 50% volume. By weight, 1 liter alcohol is 750, and add 750 gram water is 50%. So the 40% alcohol by weight equal to 50% by volume. So 1 liter. So pharmacological action of alcohol is local, rubefacient, and the counter irritant to the skin, irritant, soft skin and mucous membrane, then pain, inflammation, and necrosis, injection, estrogen, antiseptic 20 to 90%, and 100% is dihydrate, no action on the spores. Effect of alcohol consumption, acute CNS and depressant dose dependent manner, like in 30 to 100 mg per dl in the plasma concentration. It is anxiolytic, euphoria, excitation, and caution or lost, impair coordination, mood and feelings are altered. 100 to 150 mg dl is mental clouding, ataxia, disorganization of thought, and impaired of memory and drowsiness. 150 to 200 mg is sloppy, ataxia, drunkenness, and 200 to 300 is uh, stupor and unconsciousness. Now the impaired performance, slowing of reflexes, and fine discrimination impaired, induce sleep but not ideal hypnotic, analgesic but not ideal analgesic, anticonvulsant action but not ideal anticonvulsant. Mechanism is GABA A receptor mediated the synaptic inhibition by chloride channel opening. Inhibition of NDA excitatory amino acid receptor stimulate 5-HT3 receptor. Effect of alcohol consumption is acute, like CVS. Small dose is uh, cutaneous vasodilator, flushing, and middle dose is tachycardia and mild rise in blood pressure. Large dose is vasodilation due to direct vascular muscle, smooth muscle dilation, and vasomotor central depression. Respiration, stimulation of the respiration by irritation of phalanges and bronchial muscle, central acting depressant. Blood is moderate drinking, increase the high HDL cholesterol level and decrease in LDL oxidation. Now the GIT, dilute alcohol at low dose, stimulate GIT secretion, favor the aroma or direct action on the gastric secretion. Higher dose inhibit the GI secretion, acute consumption, gastritis, vomiting, reflux, mallory, lessons, and kidney diuresis is increased water ingestion and inhibition of ADH. Uterus is relaxation of uterine muscles, and endocrine is low dose adrenaline release and hyperglycemia, high dose hypoglycemia. Sex is at aphrodisiac. Absorption is, now let's see the absorption, rapidly absorbed from small intestine and colon but slowly from the stomach. First fast metabolism in the stomach and the liver. Maximum blood concentration within 30 to 90 minutes. Can be absorbed through the lungs, can be absorbed through the skin. Distribution, uniform distribution throughout tissue and blood fluid. Readily crosses placenta to export the fetus, cross blood-brain barrier readily. Elimination, urinary excretion, exhalation, exhalation, and metabolism. Now the metabolism, 80 to 90% is metabolized and also metabolized in small amount by hepatic microsomal enzyme. Rate is constant and concentration in the blood. Zero order 10 to 12 ml per hour of the absolute alcohol. About 30 ml is 1 oz in 3 hours. Concentration is exhalation in air is 0.05% of the blood concentration used in medical and legal purpose. Now the adverse effect of alcohol is acute effect, nausea, vomiting, hangover, and traffic accidents. CNS represent depression of inhibitory control, vasodilation, warm, flushes, reddish skin, emotional outbursts, decreased memory, concentration, poor judgment, decrease the reflexes, decrease the sexual response. Then the acute alcohol intoxication is as estimated ED50 150 mg per 100 ml and LD50 500 mg per 100 ml. Therapeutic index about 3.5 and hypotension, hypoglycemia, respiratory depression, coma and death. Death due to respiratory depression or inhaled vomit. Treatment is gastric lavage, endotracheal intubations, fluid and the electrolytic balance, glucose infusion, thiamine injection, 100 mg in 500 ml of glucose, and sixth, and the hemodialysis. Now the toxic effect is chronic alcoholism, GIT, gastric and damage to the mucosa, anemia, intestinal damage, lack of absorption. and deficiency of water, soluble vitamin and amino acids, protein deficiency, less or no food intake, enough calorie, vitamin and protein deficiency. Now the chronic alcoholism, liver cirrhosis, scanning of the liver, usually fatal if drinking is not stopped. Then fatty infiltration, excessive in NADH, oxidative stress and cellular necrosis. Then damage to the hepatocyte and inflammation, adenyl glucothione depletion and microsomal enzyme induction. Neurological polyneuritis is pellagra, tremor, seizure, brain loss of brain mass. CVS is hypertension and cardiomyopathy. CHF is arrhythmia and stroke. Hormonal impotency and gynecomastia and infertility. Acute pancreatitis. Then in the reproduction, alcohol is teratogen. It causes birth defect, fetal alcohol syndrome, or fetal alcohol effect, or alcohol-related birth defect. Symptoms include retardation, poor coordination, loss of muscle tone, low birth weight, slow growth, malformation, or internal organ and peculiar facial characteristic. So, the fetal syndrome is the growth retardation, facial malfunction, small head, greatly reduced intelligence. Now, the craving, a small need, or the compulsion to drink is the chronic alcoholism features. Then, the loss of control, the inability to limit one's limit drink or any given occasion. Tolerance, the need to drink greater amount of alcohol in order to get high pharmacokinetic or cellular tolerance. Physical dependency, withdrawal symptoms such as nausea, sweat, shaking, and sleep impairment, hallucination, delirium, tremor, and anxiety occur when the alcohol use is stopped after a period of heavily drinking. Withdrawal symptom, long-acting benzodiazepine like the chloro, uh, chlorodiazepoxide and diazepam are there. Now, the anti-abuser is disulfiram. Now, the alcohol plus disulfiram rise the concentration of the adrenaline in the blood and tissue, distressing the adrenal syndrome. So, the internationally, the disulfiram is marketed as anti-abuse. So, use is technically the sustained alcohol overnight and start with 1 mg on day 1 followed by 0.75 mg next day and 0.50 mg next day and so on. Effects start within few hours to one dose and fast and last for 2 weeks. Mechanism is irreversible inhibition of ALDH and synthesis of new enzyme. Take time. Thus person resolve not to drink for distressing symptoms. Available at 250 mg tablet. So let's summarize everything. Like alcohol is a neural depressant. Long-term exposure to alcohol bring about adaptive change in the neural system. Cholinergic alcoholism cause the toxic effect on all the organ, especially liver. Withdrawal syndrome in alcoholism are treated by benzodiazepam and naproxen. Anti-abuser disulfiram is the drug is used at the adverse technique in the chronic alcoholism. Then the ethanol is used as antidote in the methanol poisoning. So here we have completed our fourth unit. Hope you have studied about the alcohol and disulfiram. So this is the completion of our fourth unit of pharmacology. For any query, you can comment below. Thank you and namaste.